Are IMO notifications popping up on your lock screen? In just a few taps, you can hide them completely for more privacy. Let me show you the steps. Here's how to stop IMO notifications from showing on your Android lock screen. Press and hold the IMO app icon on your home screen or app drawer. From the pop-up menu, tap App Info, the eye inside a circle. In the App Info menu, select Permissions. Tap on Notifications. You'll see different notification categories. To hide them from the lock screen, switch off the toggle for Show on Lock Screen or set the lock screen behavior to Don't Show Notifications. Repeat for any other IMO notification categories you want to manage. Now, IMO alerts will be silent and invisible until you unlock your phone. And just like that, you've reclaimed your lock screen privacy. If this tip helped clean up your notifications, please like this video, it helps others find it. Have another app whose notifications you want to control? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more quick and practical phone management guides.